Kirsten, welcome to Synergy Wellness. It's nice to meet you. My name is Meg. Today is your first adjustment, and I would like to help walk you through that process. So when you come into the office, make sure you check in with us at the front desk, and then we'll direct you to one of the 2 adjustment rooms. Let me show you that. This is the front adjustment room, which we will use, or we would send you to the back adjustment room, which is what we're going to use today. Come on with me this way. Here's the back adjustment room. Now remember, these were the 2 exam rooms that we used when we did your exam last week. Come on in. Each room has a table to put your things down, so you can hang up a jacket or your bag, phone, anything that's sharp in your pockets. You'll want to remove those too, or if you have glasses, make sure you're taking those off. Leave your shoes on for your adjustments. The only reason you would have to take shoes off is if you had flip-flops that will fall off when you turn over. All right, so we're going to begin by laying down on your back. I want you to put your head up at that end of the table and your feet down here. Great. We will send you into the adjustment room prior to Dr. Harrigan being ready for you, because it's important to start in a more relaxed position. Your adjustments are always better when your body's more relaxed. Enjoy the music. We have the water fountain going, the dim lights. When Dr. Harrigan comes in, he's going to ask you how you're doing. Share with him any changes that you're experiencing and what's kind of going on. That's your time one-on-one to kind of connect with him and update him on what's happening, and then he can guide you through anything with that as well. Today he's going to be explaining everything he does, going slowly. He's going to begin by adjusting extremities, so even your knuckles, your wrist, your ankles, everything from this side. Then he will lower the face cradle and you'll turn over, and he will adjust from the back as well. He might even use some of the tools that we have over here, anything that would help get you the best adjustment ever. Then at the end of the adjustment on the other side, he's going to begin the traction. We talked about that as a gentle decompressing of the spine, a gentle stretching. So when you're laying down, the bottom half of the table will come down by your feet. They'll be strapped in. Your feet will drop with the table just a couple of inches, very slow, gentle stretch. The amount of time for the stretch will vary between the different adjustments. Dr. Harrigan will let us know. And so when he's finished, he will leave the room. We'll set a timer for that amount of time for your stretch. Okay? Oh, good question. Today, the first adjustment, we allow extra time. So today's 30 minutes, giving Dr. Harrigan extra time to go slow and explain things with you. A typical adjustment after today will run somewhere between 12 to 15 minutes. I am so excited for you on your journey. I can't wait to celebrate your successes along the way. Look forward to Dr. Harrigan coming in. I will go get some other things ready. When we're finished with your adjustment, we're going to move you into one of the other rooms to do your laser session after that. Okay? Thank you.